Start our program, I just like to acknowledge some of the important persons in this room for tonight. First of all, to our media friends, let's welcome Nolly Berrioso of OPMB Worldwide, palakpak! Anton Eder of Pageant Talk.
Wow.
John Ray of Tiara Holics. Jay Barbo of Pageant Friends. Jasper from Pageantology. Jeff from Kapamilya Online World.
Wow.
And also, Tita Lavinia of Titas of Pageantry. And also, I'd just like to acknowledge the National Director, James Chu. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang beloved family of our Masters of the World Philippines. First is the beautiful wife, si Ma'am Jezebel. Hello po. And also yung mga kids ni Sir Prince, si Enrique. Nasa si Enrique? Si Bastian. Si Scarlett. And then si Solen. Hello. So, without further ado, ito na ang man of the hour for today's activity and event. Let's welcome Masters of the World Philippines 2025, Prince Jeffrey Hernandez. Photo. Alright, so before we start our press conference, a few words from our Masters of the World Philippines, Sir Prince.
Of course, I'm happy and glad to see you again, guys. Kasi the last time we met us in Quezon City, and ito na po ulit tayo. So it's been 3 months preparation, and now we are ready to face and conquer. Diba? So see you Malaysia tomorrow, and I will try my best to bring home the crown of Masters of the World.
Umupo muna. Ayan. So, we will start our mini press conference. Before I will ask this first, sir. How was the preparation? Kanina kasi sinabi mo that it's been 3 months since you prepare for this competition. So, how was your preparation so far?
I think it's quite obvious when I tell kasi I always go to my clinic. When I was in there, guys, I still have few bumps left in my face kasi I had my boosters, so medyo hindi siya subside. But hopefully tomorrow mag-okay na. But maybe you also notice that it has a big, there's a lot of changes on my body right now because like toned down po ako, and I always go to the gym to ensure na yung body ko is ready for swimwear. Hindi man masyadong na-achieve yung abs, pero at least flat siya. And also, what else? Pasarela, okay na rin po. Q&A, konti, yeah. So, matingin na siguro yun. No? And what else pa? Siyempre, mga designers po. We had 4 designers na kinuha to prepare my suits in different functions. So, ayun po.
Thank you, Sir Prince. And we start our press conference, intimate press conference, together with OPMB Worldwide, Tito Nolly Berrioso.
Thank you so much.
Hello po.
Pwede na gumit na naman.
Tayo ulit.
Okay. My first question is, after all the preparations and training that you went through in the past month, in your opinion, ano magiging highlight ng performance mo sa darating na pageant mo? I mean, during the whole duration ng pageant mo sa Malaysia, sa tingin mo ano yung magiging highlight noon and ano yung mga expectations mo?
Siguro sobrang kaabang-abang yung mga susuotin ng Masters of the World kasi kita nyo naman po, we'd like to thank of course my designer, si Sir Jay Lyson. Siya po yung nag-design ng suit ko ngayon. Adding send-off attire natin. So marami pa pong aabangang unique design sa pageant. What else pa? I think with all my experiences, kasi I'm already 29, kaabang-abang din yung to share all my knowledge sa lahat ng mga manonood and how I prepared. Siguro baon-baon ko yung mga experiences in life ko. So I think hindi na masyadong mahihirapan.
Okay, follow-up lang. Do you think you can make a difference when you get there in Malaysia?
One of the best thing na madadala ko is, I think, siguro po my looks kasi I look younger at my age. So isa yan sa mga pwede natin gawing chance also para manalo. Kasi po, with all the preparation, actually wala pang pageant, parang 4 years ago, nagpe-prepare na po ako sa looks ko kahit wala naman akong lalabanan. So I think I am already ready na makipagsabayan sa iba't ibang lahi. Ayun.
Okay. Matanong ko lang, i-clear ko lang. Ito bang Masters of the World, may mga division ba ito? I mean, kunwari, from this age to ganyan, may ganun ba?
Opo, meron siya. It has three division, no?
So saan ka
first
belong?
is junior, second is prime, and then third is elite. Dun po ako sa prime. So from 35, I think, to 45. So yun. So junior naman, I think 18 years old hanggang 35. Ayan.
Ang ganda ng outfit mo ngayon, ano?
Thanks, alam po.
Ano yan? Parang combination ng Filipino and Malaysian.
Exactly, di ba? Nag-infuse kami ng Malaysia dun sa outfit para po medyo matuwa din sila pag nakita
And ngayon palang bongga na. So, speaking of your wardrobe, so ano yung may expect ng mga pageant fans, lalo na yung mga followers mo, sa mga darating na araw po, pag nandun ka na at nagkukumpit na ng actual?
Well, I'm very glad na ang nag-train po sa akin si Sir RL. So, nagturo siya ng mga unique moves and also maybe unique mga thoughts kung paano sasagutin yung mga Q&A. Although, pinablansya pa namin. But as pa, siguro mga pasabog po talaga sa outfit. Kasi po, 4 yung kinuha namin na designers at thank you po sa kanila dahil tinanggap nila yung projects. Si Sir Jason Lyson po, and si Sir Adam Balasa,
Okay.
si Axie Couture, and of course si Omar Sali po. So yung mga creation nila na naging sikat, yun yung pinasok nila para magamit ko po. And I'm very, very happy to na sinuportahan nila ako sobra.
Wow. Okay. For the meantime, I will give the mic to others. And mamaya na lang ulit yung mga.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tito Noli. The next question, I'd just like to acknowledge RL is here also, and also official makeup artist ni Sir Prince Kylie, Nat Versosa. Next question would be from Pageant Trend, Jay Barbo.
Yun.
Hi,
So
sir.
yung tayo tayo magkakilala,
Pero mga 2 years na.
2 years na. Hindi niya hihirapan yung question.
Of course. Thank you so much, Sir Prince, and congratulations in advance. So, since you will be competing sa Malaysia, so my question for you is, how excited are you for this competition?
Well, I'm very excited kasi actually, I thought, and tapos na yung pageant era ko nung during college time. Kasi after mo ng pageant ng college, wala ka nang sasalihan. But I am very glad that this Masters of the World open for us, that we can actually now share our talents and to maybe show them what we can do also at our age right now. So I'm 39 and still meron pang pageant na nag-open kasi maraming mga gusto pa rin sumubok sana kung kailan ready na sila. Kaso wala nang available na ganong klaseng pageant. Because normally hanggang 30 lang yata. So ngayon imagine mo in all ages. So this is the time that we are now ready and prepared to showcase what we experience in life.
Ayun. And first time na nag-meet tayo nung sa Alabang, yun, dun sa mismo clinic mo. And then, I asked you about if you are going to, or if you have a plan to join the pageant, and you said wala kang plan. So my question for you is, what made you decide talaga to accept this opportunity or this pageant?
Parang mga 2 years ago, since I started to felt like, since nagpe-prepare din ako sarili ko, and tumutulong ako sa mga nagpa-pageant din na boys and girls, sabi ko, what if ako naman yung nasa sitwasyon nila? Sadly, wala naman nga pong age na ganun eh. Just so happened one day, somebody called me, a friend of mine, si Sir Arvin Delmo, and then he introduced me to Tito James, na may nag-open na Masters of the World, na may 3 categories. At pasok daw ako dun sa prime categories. Good mo din ako dun. So nag-guess na po ako agad. Without knowing na sobra na palang tight ng labanan ng pageantry ngayon at grabe na pala yung expectation ng tao. So, I tried my best talaga for 3 months. Kasi medyo chubby-chubby ako rin last time na mag-meet tayo. Nagda-diet ako pero minsan hindi na kinakaya. Again, napapakain ulit ako. But keep trying kasi this is for the Philippines. Not only for the Philippines but also for those people who believes in me and also my family.
When was the last time you joined before itong Masters of the World?
I think 3 months ago. 3 months. Sobrang iksi ng preparation. 3 months lang. Ano po? Ayun. So, ang bilis ng araw. Noong una, chinichill-chill ko lang eh. Actually, nagseryoso lang talaga ako. Parang 30 days pa lang. Kasi akala ko nananaginip ako. Totoo na pala siya. So, and I'm so glad and very thankful to Lord Jesus Christ kasi hindi na nga po, hindi na kasi ako dumaan sa national and right now I am representing the Philippines. So I'm very, very happy kasi na-experience ko ito sa buong buhay ko. So it's a one-time experience talaga.
Who was the first person na nakaalam na you will be competing sa international?
Oh, syempre po yung wife ko, sinabi ko sa kanya. And she always supported me in every decision I will make. So I'm very, very glad. So,
Follow question or last na lang. So since you're a business or entrepreneur, aside from this, what do you think is your edge among the other contestant of Masters of the World?
I guess all my experience in life, I've been in every aspect of life, difficulties, and even though marami akong experience sa buhay, namuhay ako ng mag-isa before, na-survive ko yun, and I managed to have my own business, at nakakapagpakain ng pamilya, at nakakatulong sa tao. Actually, I'm the one who's coaching my people as well because I have few branches. We have almost 100 employees, so lagi ako nagko-coaching. I think pwede ko itong madala sa Malaysia. So, with all my experience in life. And also, syempre po, yung looks, yung physical, at saka yung mga support ng mga designer, at saka kayong mga media na tutulong po sa amin para mag-post hopefully during the competition. So, yun po yung mga nagbibigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob para lumaban. Guys, hindi pala biro sumali sa pageant, lalo na kung ito ay international. Kasi noon, town lang naman yun eh. Small town, although in school, pero ibang-iba po. Kasi lahat na makikita ka, No? So lalo na po yung media, napakalalakas ninyo. So isang post nyo lang talaga, sumasabog yung post ninyo. So, hindi siya biro. I will try my best.
Thank you so much, Sir Prince, and congratulations in advance.
Thank you po.
Kay Jay, maasahan na yung posting. Of course! And syempre, speaking of powerful posting, nandito din ang Kapamilya Online World na si
Wow.
Jeff. Jeff,
Yeah.
baka may question ka?
Grabe.
Ano lang po yung design sa mga kagaya na gusto pa mag-join ng PAN?
For me, this is a unfinished dream. No? Kasi dream ko talaga na makasali sa international competition and to represent the country. Pero that time, wala talagang chance. So, masasabi ko, keep on hoping. And there is always a chance. You never know. So, kapag nag-knock na po yung chance and opportunity, wag na wag yung papakawalan. Grab it. Kasi minsan lang yan kakatok. Baka mamaya, magkaroon kayo ng what if kung hindi niyo yun ginawa. So, sobrang sabi sa akin ng interviewer sa Billionaire Channel, sabi niya, sobrang tapang mo para sumali dyan. Sabi ko kasi ayoko magkaroon ng what if sa buhay. So, paano kung hindi ako sumali, nanalo kaya ako? Or kung sumali ako doon, nanalo kaya ako? So at least, kung ano man mangyari, tinry ko. Anyway, we only live once, so why not, diba?
Win or lose po, ano po yung next plan after this fight?
I wish to continue my business and will continue helping people also to give them jobs and also still part na ako ng pageant industry. I will keep on supporting them. Kasi I know that this is a big help also for other people who dream na maging baseline na nila to para maging successful ng buhay. Kasi sa buhay. Kasi ang pageant guys, napakaganda pala itong stepping stone. Kasi huhubugin ka niya kung paano humarap sa tao. Huhubugin ka niya kung paano maging sobrang taas ng confidence mo. At kapag meron ka na nun, there is nothing impossible. You can do whatever you need para maging successful ka sa mga gusto mong gawin.
Thank you, Jeff, from Kapamilya Online World. And ito kaya, may what if din kaya siya? From Charaholics, John Ray!
Ilabas na yan.
Yung what if ko, what if hindi mo na lang
What
po
if,
ano.
what if?
Hello po, Sir Prince. Meron na po ba kayong mga nakakausap na po candidates nyo sa bracket nyo po? And so far, sino po yung mas nakakausap or close din?
Honestly po, hindi pa po kami nagkikita-kita. Nakikita ko lang sila sa posting nung Masters of the World. Ang nakita ko na doon is Korea, Spain, pero hindi ko pa po sila nakakausap. So talagang lahat blanco. Hindi ko nga alam kung gaano yung katatangkad sila or what. So magiging sorpresa itong malaki pagdating ko tomorrow.
Alright. As a business owner po, lahat po ng decision and direction ng companies, kayo po ang nag-decide obviously. If ever man po na manalo kayo sa inyong competition, paano po yung adjustments na gagawin ninyo knowing that you're gonna be working on another organization na wala po kayong call sa mga sort of decisions like that?
I think, siguro i-mirror ko na lang yung way kung paano ko minamanage yung company ko. Kasi kahit paano naman po, I think in 7 years time, we managed to open 15 branches. So I guess it's successful decision kung ano man yung ginawa namin. And I believe marketing is the #1 tools para maging successful ang negosyo. So this is the thing that I can contribute to that group, to the Masters of the World, so that they will be able to make their name or the brands even bigger and more successful. Marketing talaga. And nandiyan syempre ang media, #1.
So final question na po. Na-mention niyo po kanina na 3 po yung brackets ng competition. Junior, Prime, and Elite. Pagsasama-samahin po ba kayo sa isang like venue or separated po?
I guess sama-sama po ulan. So, yeah, doon din sa hotel ngayon. Napakalaki ng venue, nakita ko na po. Kasi binidyohan nila. So, parang nagulat din po ako, napakalaki na.
Thank you po, Sir Prince. Thank you.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you, John Ray. And to answer your question, with regards to the competition, kasi meron tayong 3 categories, junior, prime, and elite. And siguro yung magiging atake ng pageant nila is just the same as the pageant of mga misses. Di ba merong Miss, MS, and may elite din. So parang ganun siguro yung magiging konsepto ng pageant nila. And this is an inaugural. So me and James Chu, we will see pa kung ano yung magiging run ng pageant nila. Okay? And next question is from one of the leading pageant pages in the Philippines, Anton Eder from Pageant Talk.
Hello, Sir, please.
Yes, sir.
And congratulations.
Thank you po.
Alright, sir, can you share us a little bit about sa background ng Masters of Tour? Kung ano po yung advocacy nila?
This is actually designed for all ages. So, for mature people like us, so that we can educate other people or para lahat ng experiences namin in life na i-share namin sa kanila. And I think this is the first time happened in pageantry na, yeah, again, it's all ages. Ang advocacy is to share our experiences in life.
Okay, so if ever na ikaw yung manalo, so how will you promote the Masters of Tour organization, not just here sa Philippines, kundi sa buong mundo?
I think yung uniqueness po nung pageant na to. Kasi, honestly, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, sobrang dami talaga pa rin hanggang ngayon na nangangarap or may mga unfinished business sila na hindi pa natutupad. At doon kaya na nila, wala na yung, hindi na siya available because of age limit. But because this pageant has no age limit, they are opening the opportunity for those people who has this so-called unfinished dreams.
Okay, thank you so much and best of luck.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Anton. And last na magko-question from the pageant media is from the Titas of Pageantry, Tita Lavinia.
Hello, good
Hello,
afternoon.
Tita.
Hello, Prince. I never got to see you some months back, so bumabawi ako ngayon.
Thank you po.
Nice to meet you finally. Na-mention mo kanina na this is a competition na may 3 categories and this is the inaugural edition. Na-mention mo rin na they're looking for experience. So, ano yung pinaka-experience mo na dadalhin doon na sa tingin mo mabigat-bigat para ma-convince or ma-sway sila na ikaw ang dapat i-consider?
Oh, that's a very nice question. Well, yung, kung pipiliin sa lahat ng experiences ko, siguro po, i-combine ko yung personal experience in life, kung paano naging resilience ako sa buhay, kasi sobrang dami talaga challenges yung dumating bago ko naabot yung position ko ngayon as a CEO. And second, i-combine ko yung business ko because I am very dedicated sa negosyo ko. So, yung knowledge ng technology that I can share also in Malaysia. Because I am judging a competition not just by my looks, by my body, but also the knowledge I've learned from my business. I can actually educate them and inspire on how you can be looking good, confident, even at your age. Right now that I am 39, going 40 next year.
Okay, medyo gusto ko lang lumihis ng konti and look into something that's relevant for the Philippines. Sunod-sunod ang mga bagyo natin, sunod-sunod ang lindol natin, sunod-sunod din yung paparamdam ng mga bulkan dito sa atin. So bilang padre de pamilya, ano yung mga thoughts mo when people start saying, pageant pa kayo ng pageant, ano pang relevance nito, knowing that anything can happen in the Philippines in the next couple of days and the next couple of months?
Currently, the pageant is quite rampant. Sobrang taas at layo na nararating ito. I believe that we can use our voice to share positivity and sometimes education on how we become more how we became more ready and aware sa lahat ng mga positivity na mangyari sa atin. And I think I also need to educate my kids as a family man to respect the nature. Because if we will respect the nature, then everything will follow. Walang flood, at walang... Because usually doon hindi na natin maiiwasan eh. Pero yung pinsala na maidudulot sa atin, kung ready po tayo, at hindi natin binasa ang natural resources natin, mas mababawasan po yung casualties o halos walang nangyayari casualties.
Alright, my last question is, now na nakatutok yung mga camera namin sa'yo, do you have any causes, do you have any charities na sinusupport mo, na gusto mong marinig namin or gusto mong masupport din namin?
Currently po, charities, it always connected to my business. I always give free treatments and also enhancement for those people who dream na mag-improve sila. Binibigay po namin yan ng libre. So ginagamit ko po yung negosyo ko to help the people na hindi sila capacity to enhance themselves. So yun ang ginagawa ko.
Maraming salamat and congratulations sa Sir Elias.
So you can follow po ma'am Royal Princess PH. So marami po kami binibigay na. Sometimes namibigay kami ng mga rhinoplasty na libre doon. Para may mga nagpa-budget din na nabibigyan po namin.
May chance pa si Tito Noli.
Why not?
Thank you so much, media friends. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga media friends natin. And before we end our intimate meet and greet and official send-off, because tomorrow na ang lipad ng ating representative going to Malaysia. So hopefully, masuportahan ninyo.
Of course!
Of course, J. Barbo.
Of course.
Makakapos. Alright. So before we end, I just like to ask messages from some of the people na kasama ng ating Masters of the World. First is yung official makeup artist niya. Palakpakan naman natin si Kylie Versosa. Come here, Kylie. Palakpak naman. Naka-green yan, ha? Oh. Hindi yan prepared kasi naka-makeup tayo yun. Hi, Kylie. What is your message to Sir Prince? Kasi ikaw yung kasama niya from day 1 up until the coronation.
Pwede ka sa...
Parang birthday na yun.
Sa ayun, Sir Prince, una-una sa lahat, thank you for this experience and galingan mo lang, sa likod mo lang ako palagi mula sa first day natin sa pagpunta ng Malaysia tomorrow hanggang sa Grand Coronation. Andito lang ako palagi. Para sa galingan mo lang and I know God will bless you and will support you then and guide you sa iyong pageant journey.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Kylie.
21 birthday.
Next is, galing pa to ng Thailand, ha? Pumunta talaga para lang sa press con. Inelbow niya si Vina para lang kay Sir Prince. Sir RL, ang mentor niya, Q&A mentor ng Pasarela, coach niya, and everything. Diba? Oh.
Hello, nice to see you again. So, well, anyway, today, or ito na yung moment na hinihintay mo. This is the moment that we have been preparing for. So, time flies. So, the first time that I actually met you, you barely know anything about pageant. But I've been with you sa preparation mo and I've seen how you develop. And malayo na yung progress mo. So, I'm really proud of how far you have gone. So tomorrow, pupunta na ng Malaysia and we're all rallying for you. We're all cheering you on. I'm gonna be following you there to support you, to be there with you till the end, as I promised. So my only message is make the most out of this experience. So sabi ko nga, this is your unfinished dream, and maybe this could be the last fashion experience. So you could never have this back again after this. So alam ko marami kang pinagdaanan, ups and downs, sobrang dami. So alam mo yun, parang tomorrow is the first day of the competition. So i-enjoy mo yun kasi hindi mo na yan mababalikan. So whatever happens, nandito kami lahat supporting you, believing in you, and you totally got this one. So yeah, good luck, and we all love you. Thanks for the trust as well.
Thank you, RL, aka and also the very supportive national director. Let's give it up for James Chu.
Thank you sa ating mga media friends for tonight. The very first time ko na inalok sa akin ang Masters of the World, sabi ko, ay, parang wala yata akong alam na pwede dyan. But when Prince was introduced to me, sabi ko, perfect. Ito na talaga yun. Wala nang iba. So, I'm very confident. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations. I'm very confident that we will go home with the very first crown of Masters of the World. I'm very confident that Prince will be shining sa stage. And I'm sure he will do his best, and I'm sure na everyone will appreciate all the efforts, all the hardship and sacrifice ni Prince. Mapapanood natin yan as the day goes by sa competition. Marami siyang baong pasabog. So, congratulations. And thank you po sa inyong lahat. Hopefully next year, si Prince ay magta-turn over and will be part of the team next year. Thank you. Salamat po.
Thank you, Sir James Chu. And nahihiya sila, pero tatawagin na lang natin for the photo op. Siyempre, ang family ni Sir Prince. Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Jessica, si Enrique, si Sebastian, si Scarlett, at si Solen. At ang cute, may ginawa silang tarpaulin. Diba? Ayan. Come here forward for photo op with your papa. Yay! Let's go! Yay! Kambal sila.
Wow!
Mga kambal. Kambal. Photo op.
Yan, center muna. Center.
Ito po. One, two, samba.
You guys here. One more here, guys.
And also, let me call also the team of Sir Prince. Kindly, RL, Sir James Chu,
Team
and syempre,
Philippines. Sama ka
for
na.
the photo op.
Yan, compress po tayo.
Ito po. One, two, last one.
And lastly, our media friends. Photo op with Sir Prince. Palitan ng sash. Let's go, girls and boys. Let's go, media friends. Thank you so much for coming. Let's go, let's go.
award. Naka-zoom in siya ba? Same. Wait lang.
Ayan, go. Lagay mo lang dali.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. Sa phone pa ni Jay Pardo.
Hindi pa ganun naman. Okay, ayan.
Award. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay po, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Media friends, huwag kayong umalis. Balik. Lahat. Let's all have a photo op. Let's go, guys. Family. Kylie, RL, James Chu, come here now. Forward. Saan yung videographer natin? Okay. Videographer, stand by. Mamaya na yan. Mag-video muna tayo, guys. Bilis. Mamaya na yan. Photo off. Lahat muna. Let's go. Pasok. Nasa taas si Sir Prince. Sir Prince, taas ka ng konti. Go, guys. Pasok. Family photo. Yes, lahat. Lahat, go. Yung mga bagets sa tabi niya. Oo. Go.
Naka-plus na to.
Let's go! Go! Pasok! Okay.
Ay.
Ayan. Okay. Kasha? Si videographer nasaan? Dito, Noli. Diyan ka, upo ka lang ganyan. As a baby girl. Ayan. Smile na.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay na, videographer, ganito. Sir Prince, ganito ikaw magsasabi ng pangalan mo. Prince Jeffrey Hernandez, tapos lahat tayo Philippines. Okay? Ganito, Sir Prince, Prince Jeffrey Hernandez, Masters of the World, tapos lahat tayo Philippines. Okay? Ready? Practice muna, go!
Prince Jeffrey Hernandez, Masters of the World.
Philippines! Dapat hindi nauuna, Tito Noli. Practice pa lang yan. Take one, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Prince Jeffrey Hernandez.
Video.
Your Masters
Di ba?
of
Photo.
the World.
Philippines!
Okay, take two.
One more.
3, 2, 1, go.
Prince Jeffrey Hernandez. Your Masters of the World.
Thank you everyone. Ayan na picture.